How do I locate AirDrop files on my iPhone?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to locate AirDrop files on your iPhone. AirDrop is an incredibly handy feature that allows us to share files between Apple devices quickly and easily. But sometimes, it's not quite clear where those files end up. Don't worry, though. We're going to clear that up right now.
What is AirDrop and how does it work?
AirDrop is a feature that allows you to send files between Apple devices over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can share photos, videos, contacts, locations, and even website links. When you receive a file via AirDrop, the file is automatically opened in the appropriate app.
Where do AirDrop files go on my iPhone?
When you receive files via AirDrop, they don't go to a single, specific location. Instead, they're automatically directed to an app based on the type of file. For example, if someone sends you a photo via AirDrop, it will automatically be saved to your Photos app. If you receive a website link, it will open in Safari, and you can bookmark it for future reference. Documents, such as PDFs, might be opened in Books or another document reader you've installed. Remember, the app that opens the file will be based on the file type and the apps you have installed on your iPhone.
How can I find specific AirDrop files?
Since files are opened in the appropriate app, there's no central AirDrop folder. Instead, you'll need to go to the app that typically handles that kind of file. If you're looking for a photo or video, open the Photos app and check your Recents album. If you've received a contact, check your Contacts app. If it was a location, open the Maps app. If you've been sent a web page link, you'll want to check your Safari's history. And so on. The important part is to think about what type of file you've received, and then look in the corresponding app. And that's it, folks. Now you know how to find your AirDrop files on an iPhone. Remember, the files go to the relevant app based on the type of file you received. We hope this video was helpful and cleared up any confusion about where AirDrop files end up. Keep exploring, and stay tech-savvy.